Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you one interesting concept related to circle finding using Hawk transform. Okay, so already in my previous video I have shown you how you can detect the circles using Hawk transform. Okay, what is the actual algorithm working behind that, how we can find that in still image, and I have shown you the real-time implementation also, that is when we are capturing the image using our mobile phone. Okay, so same kind of implementation here I am using, taking image using IP webcam, okay, and finding the circle. But here one big twist I am applying. You know that when the two circles intersect, okay, the condition, how to check that, I hope you have already studied in your mathematics course. That is, the distance between two centroids should be what? Lesser than the sum of the radius. If this condition is satisfied, if distance between two centroids is lesser than the sum of the radius of the two circles, that means they have intersected, right? So now in this video we will detect only those circles which are not overlapped, okay, and rest of the circles which are overlapped we will not highlight those, or our algorithm should not detect those. Okay, if suppose this kind of situation we need to appear, we need to handle, how we can do? First of all, detect all the circles. Once you get all the centers and all the radii, you can easily compute this using simple for loop and check whether distance between centroid is lesser than sum of the radius or not. Okay, so here at least two circles we require, so size of center comma 1 greater than equal to 2 I am checking. If this condition is satisfied, we are using two for loop for taking two different centroids, calculating the distance using the simple formula root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Radius equal to the distance between two centroids should be compared with sum of the radius. So we are comparing radii of I plus radii of j. Then if this less than rs, that means if the distance between two centroids is lesser than sum of the radius of the two circles, then we are incrementing on counter temp equal to temp plus 1. So as a result, if we are getting non-zero value in the temp variable, that means those two circles have intersected. Okay, so if temp equal to 0, then only it will indicate that those circles have not intersected. We are putting that centroid location and radius in some two empty array which we have defined here. Okay, inter center equal to one empty array, inter radii equal to one empty array, and finally we are plotting that using these circles. Okay, now let me show you the demonstration. Okay, so here I will simply select Control A and then perform evaluate selection. Okay, so if I run, see, first of all I will be getting this particular some 1 rupee coin I have taken, where you can see completely all the coins are detected because none of them are overlapped on other. But here one circle is also showing due to this written part. Okay, IP webcam is a free video recording app, all these ads whatever it is showing by default, for that purpose here one circle is coming, you can ignore that for the time being. Okay, so concentrate on our these particular circles where all the circles are perfectly detected. Now what I will do, I will put one circle, one coin on other, okay, like this. Now you can see that those two are not detected because they are overlapped on each other, but rest of the coins are perfectly detected. Okay, what I will do, I will superimpose this one on this. Okay, now let's check. See, only the two circles which are not overlapped, those only detected, that is this one and this one, right? Then what I will do, I will remove this one. So as a result, then and there you can see that this circle is also detecting due to light problem, I guess it, yes, now it is coming. And now what I will do, I will superimpose this on this. Okay, now see, the superimposed circles are that is overlapping circles are not detected, there is these two and these two are detected. Okay, now let's remove this set. Okay, see, our algorithm has started detecting those. Okay, as soon as I just separate these two also, then see all the circles again started our algorithm started detecting all this. Okay, so this is what is the simple mathematical concept of finding two circle intersected or not. Okay, and using this we can implement this kind of beautiful project. So this is all for my this video. Same code will be posted in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.